Hello dear students, good morning. Myself Chandrappa, SIMS College, Bangalore. Today we will discuss about the flexible budget. So sometimes he is given in the amount, sometimes he is not given in the amount. But today we will discuss about the flexible budget in the same process, but we are giving the percentage base. So when he is given the percentage or amount, both are same, but we are going to conversion of the percentage, amount into percentage. So for example, today he is given the information about the 80% of the flexible budget. So how we are going to prepare the flexible budget for 80%? But now 80% he is given, we are going to prepare for 70% and 90%. 70% and 90%. He is in the middle, 70 in between 90, 80% he is given in the percentage base. So we have three types of expenditure. First one is an variable fixed overhead. What is fixed overhead? Either the production, we are taking production or not, but cost will be same, but it is not changes. So either you have to take a production or not, but amount will be same. Then variable overhead, when you are taking the production, but cost will be increasing, otherwise cost is the constant. So it is called as variable overhead. Today he is given that fixed overhead also 3 items, variable overhead also is given 2 items and semi-variable. So one expense comes on both, either in the fixed and variable, that is called as semi-variable overheads. Today we will discuss about the same point. He is given the percentage base, all information from the 80% level only, but now we are going to prepare for the 70 and 90%. How we are going to prepare the 70%, 90%? We will go through the sums. So in the semi-variable expenses is given power 30% of fixed. What is the remaining? 30% out of 100%, 30 minus 100 equals 70% is a variable. What is the amount? 15 lakh is given. Then repairs and maintenance 40% variable, remaining 60% is a fixed. Out of 1,50,000 you can convert for the 40% and 60%. 15 lakh into 30% and remaining 70% for the variable expenditure. So come back to the solutions. How we are going to prepare the flexible budget? See this, we will discuss previous with per unit also, cost per unit, but today I am not giving the cost per unit. We are taking only for the total amount for the percentage base, either in 70% base, 80% base and 90% base, without any cost per unit. So he is given all information. First one is go for the same process as per the question wise only. Fixed overhead, he is given depreciation. What depreciation cost? He is given 8,25,000. First you should write in the base level only. What is the base level? Base level is 80%, 8,25,000 for base level, 8,25,000. How we are going to convert for the 70% and 90%? So first base actually 8,25,000 is a base level, but now next level, what is the next level we wanted? 70% out of 80%, like this. So now 8,25,000 into what is the next level? We wanted 70% only. 70 divided by 80%. So equals 7,21,875. See the answer? 7,21,875. First you can take base level for 8,25,000 into 70 divided by out of 80% only. Then next level, same process, 8,25,000 into what is the next level you wanted answer? 90% into 90% divided by base level 80%. So equals 9,28,125, 9,28,125 rupees. So in the same process, first you can take the base level, then multiply into the next level out of 80%. Okay. What is the next one? Insurance. what the insurance amount is given? You can take base level 2,25,000 is given in the questions only base level. How we are going to convert for the next level? 2,25,000 into what is the next level? 70%. You want the answer for 70% into 70 divided by what is the base level? 80%. 80 equals 1,96,875. 1,96,875 rupees. So, the same level, go for the next 2,25,000 into 2,25,000 into what is the next level? We want the answer for 90% into 90% divided by 80 equals 2,53,125. 2,53,125. That is the answer for the 90%. So, what is the next level? Salary. What is the salary amount? He is given base level for 75,000. These 75,000 should be converted for the 70%, 90% also. 75,000 into 70% is divided by 80%. Next level 75,000 into 90% divided by 80. So, what is the answer for? 75,000 into 70% divided by out of 80% equals 65,625. 65,625. So, even same answer. If you are taking the base level for 70%, this base level should be converted for the 90% also. So, for example, 65,625 70% of base. So, answer 65,625 into 90% divided by 70% also into 90% divided by 70 equals 84,375. 84,375 rupees. So, whatever the base, you can take the base level then multiply to the next level only. That is called a easy to get the answer for the percentage. Next one, we will go for the variable overheads. Variable overheads mean actually normally these cost will be depends on the production taking or not. If you are going to running the cost, it is called as running cost. If you are taking the production, cost will be increasing, otherwise cost is not incurred for the expenditure. That is one variable overheads. For example, indirect labor is given in the questions 9 lakh for the base level 9 lakh. So, these 9 lakh should be converted for the 70% and 90% also. So, 9 lakh into 70% divided by 80% equals 7,87,500. 7,87,500. This is a 70% capacity. So, next level we wanted 90% capacity. How to find 90% capacity? Leave it the base level, take this base level. Example 70% is a base level now. 7,87,500 into what is the next level we wanted? 90%. 7,87,500 into 90% divided by 70% of 10,12,500. Answer 10,12,500. This is answer. So, whatever the base you should be converted for the next level, either you are taking the 80% or 70% or 90% also same. So, next part, stores and spare parts. He is given in the questions stores and spare parts 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh for the base level for 80% capacity. 80% capacity, but now we wanted 90%. So, 3 lakh into 90% divided by 80 equals 3,37,500. So, 3,37,500. This level should be converted for the 70% base, 70% level. So, already we done 80% is given, 90% we done. Then next level we will go for the 70% capacity. So, how to find out the 70% capacity? First you can take base level for 3,37,500 into 70% divided by 90%. So, 3,37,500 into 70% capacity divided by 90 equals 2,62,500. 2,62,500. So, this answer is right or wrong. How to find out the answer? So, once we are verify base level, so percentage level will be less, percentage mean automatic amount also it will be less from the base level. Next level, capacity level, it is 90%, amount also more than the base level, that is also one. See this 3 lakh is given the base level, what is the next level? 90%, cost amount also increasing, 3 lakh, above 3 lakh, 3,37,500. So, base level 80%, what about 70%? Compared to the base level, less than the base level. So, 2,62,500, that is called as percentage of the base. So, next variable overhead also over, fixed also over, next come back to the semi-variable overhead. Semi-variable overheads mean it is including both fixed and variable. So, some percentage will be fixed, some percentage will be variable. He is given the two items, first one is in power. What is the power? He is given 30% of fixed. 30% of fixed mean remaining is not given. So, understood, 30% fixed, what is remaining? 70% is a variable. What is the amount? Amount value will be 15 lakh rupees. Power, actual amount, base level 15 lakh, you can write the first one 15 lakh rupees. Out of 15 lakh, see this 15, first you can take 15 lakh into 30% fixed, 30 percentage, 4,50,000 is the answer. So, fixed cost mean first you should write the base level only 4,50,000. So, once actually you are taking the minimum percentage of base level fixed cost 4,50,000, this amount all the level will be same, all the level will be same. So, it is an minimum and maximum, when the production will be reach minimum to maximum level, cost will be same. Beyond the level, but fixed cost will be changed. Until and unless without any changes of beyond the level, but cost will be same. So, 4,50,000 for the base level, you should write in the same amount also in case of 70% capacity also 4,50,000. Then 90% capacity also 4,50,000. So, fixed cost will be same for all the levels, but it is not changes. But when you are going to find out the cost per unit, 100% cost per unit will be changed, but amount will be constant. But variable cost amount will be changed, but cost per unit will be same. So, when you are going to find out the CPU cost per unit, so all level will be same, but amount only changes. But fixed amount will be same, CPU will be changed. So, come back to the fixed is over 4,50,000. Out of 15 lakh, remaining 4,50,000 is a fixed. What is the remaining? 10,50,000 is a variable cost. 10,50,000. So, now 10,50,000 plus 4,50,000 total cost is 15 lakh. 10,50,000 for variable 80% base level. What about 90%? So, 10,50,000 for the base level. Next level we want that 90% capacity into 90% divided by 80%. So, 11,81,250. 11,81,250 for variable cost. Same cost will be converted for the 70% capacity also. So, now 81,250 into what is the next level we wanted? 70% capacity we need. So, out of 90% into 70% divided by 90% capacity equals 9,18,750. See this, total cost actually is given 15 lakh. 15 lakh will be divided for the fixed and variable cost also. I am taking 30% of fixed cost, remaining 70% of variable cost. So, 4,50,000 plus 10,50,000 total cost will be 15 lakh. Here also 4,50,000 plus 11,81,250 cost more than the base, because increasing the variable cost. Variable cost mean when production will be increasing, cost also increase. When even 70% capacity, same thing. Fixed cost will be same, but variable cost will be increase and decrease. So 4,50,000 plus 9,18,750, it is not reached around the 15 lakh, but is less than the 15 lakh. But here variable cost will be differ from percentage to percentage. So what is the next level? Repairs and maintenance. What is the repair cost? He is given the question 1,50,000 for the repair cost. Out of, see, 1,50,000 is given in the questions. 1,50,000 for the base level. This is base level. What is the percentage? He is given 60% fixed, remaining 40% of variable. So into, first you can take 60%. So around 90,000 is a fixed cost. 90 is a fixed. Out of 1,50,000, 90,000 fixed, remaining 60,000 is a variable cost. 90 plus 60,000, total cost comes around 1,50,000. So go for the repairs. What is the fixed cost? Fixed cost 60% mean 90,000. 90,000. What is the variable cost? 60,000. 90 plus 60 equals 1,50,000. So now fixed cost, all the level will be same. Either you can take 90% or 70%, amount is not changing, same amount should be transferred to that next level also. So 90,000 for the 90% capacity also, in the same amount transferred that 70% capacity also 90,000. So now fixed cost in all the level will be same, but variable cost will be not same in the all the level, but will be changed, depends on the production. So what is the base level of variable cost? 60,000. These 60,000 should be counted for the 90% capacity and 70% capacity also. So 60,000 for the 80% capacity. What is the next level? We want that 90% or 70%, 100%, whatever it may be, you can multiply into 90% into 90% divided by 80%. 67,500. 67,500 is a total cost. So 67,500 into 70%. We need for the next level, what is the percentage? 70%. So we need for 60% also, you can take 50%, 60% of the multiply. 67,500 into 70% capacity out of 90%. 67,500 into 70%. 67,500 into 70% capacity out of 90% equals 52,500. So answer 52,500. This is a total cost. So now he is given different cost. First he is given the fixed cost also, fixed cost, variable cost and semi-variable cost also. So take the total for all the level, it is called as total cost. These total cost, but we cannot find out the cost per unit, but only for the total cost. So what is total cost of both? For example, in the 70% capacity, total of all the amount, but answer will comes around total cost 43,61,250. So level will be change. You can take the percentage of total. See this 7,21,000. This total cost you should be counting for all the levels, either in the fixed cost, variable cost and semi-variable cost also. See the total 7,21,000, for example, A, go for the 70% capacity. 7,21,875 plus 1,96,875 plus 65,625, in all the levels it comes answer 43,61,250 is a total cost. 43,61,250. Base level 46 lakh 50,000 is a base level, it's a cost, it's a total cost. Then what is the 9% capacity? 90% capacity is including 49 lakh 38,700 rupees. This is total cost of rupees percentage. So now this is a base level percentage he is given the amount only. This amount should be converted for the next level. So how we are going to convert it for next level? 8,25,000 into 90% divided by 80%, like this only. So today you are going to prepare only for the flexible budget for the percentage base only. Thank you very much.